Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Suma. In today's video, we'll learn about interjections. You'll learn what interjections are, why we use them, their types, and simple examples. Let's begin. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion. For example, wow, that's amazing. Oops, I dropped my phone. The words wow and oops are interjections. Why do we need interjections? Interjections help us express our feelings and emotions. They make our conversations more natural and interesting. There are different types of interjections. They are interjections of joy, interjections of surprise, interjections of pain, interjections of greeting, interjections of approval. Let's learn each one with examples. Interjections of joy express happiness. For example, hooray, we won the match. Yay, I passed the exam. Interjections of surprise show surprise. For example, wow, that's beautiful. Oh, I didn't know that. Interjections of pain express pain or sadness. For example, ouch, that hurts. Alas, we lost the game. Interjections of greeting are used to greet or welcome someone. For example, hello, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Interjections of approval are used to praise or encourage someone. For example, bravo, you did a great job. Well done, keep it up. These words show appreciation for someone's success or good work. Remember, interjections are usually followed by an exclamation mark because they express strong feelings. Now it's quiz time. Pause the video and answer these questions. How many answers did you get right? Let's quickly recap. Today, we learned what interjections are, why we use them, and the different types with examples. Keep practicing to make your English more natural and expressive. Congratulations! You've completed the Parts of Speech series. Thank you for learning with me. If you enjoyed these lessons, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Suma.